Best 5-month-old baby activities to boost development. 5 months already. Your baby is probably rolling a little, grabbing everything in sight, and giving you smiles that melt your heart. This stage is a mix of fun and discovery. How does playtime help your 5-month-old thrive? Play is not just fun. It's essential for your baby's physical, emotional, and cognitive development. At 5 months, your baby is more interactive, curious, and ready to explore the world. Activities for 5-month-old babies. 1. Floor play. Let your baby explore movement on a soft blanket. Place toys around them and encourage reaching. This builds core muscles needed for rolling, crawling, and sitting up. Skills developed: muscle strength, flexibility, and coordination. 2. Story fun. Sit your baby on your lap with a picture book. Read aloud, point at images, and let them touch or flip the pages if they wish. Skills developed: language skills, visual focus, and listening. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Puppeteer. Put a puppet in your hand and make playful voices while moving it toward your baby. Let them reach and respond. Skills developed: imagination, creativity, humor, and motor skills. 4. Bubbles. Blow soap bubbles in your baby's direction and let them watch as the bubbles float and pop. If they get excited, blow more and encourage them to reach out. Skills developed: visual perception, focus, and curiosity. 5. Baby's day out. Get outside. A quiet stroll through a garden or park stimulates your baby's senses with sights, sounds, and textures all new and exciting. Skills developed: sensory perception and environmental awareness. 6. The sound of music. Play gentle tunes and dance with your baby. Let them move along to the rhythm. This helps with sound recognition and rhythmic movement. Skills developed: motor skills, auditory processing, and bonding. 7. Treasure chest. Fill a box with safe toys and household objects. Let your baby dig in, grab, and explore. It's hands-on learning at its best. Skills developed: motor control and early reasoning skills. You don't need fancy toys or complicated routines. Your time and smile are what matter the most. Let your baby's 5th month be the beginning of wonderful firsts.